Hello, welcome to the QMS channel. I'm Julie Harlow, and today I'm going to tell you how to implement the management system. Today we're going to talk about how the management system for ISO certification is implemented. So all the standards normally follow the same right. It's the same process, but the protocol for implementing the first thing is that you feel the need for implementation and check the organization's processes for implementation. Obviously, when you're going to certify the standard, the first thing is to acquire a management system standard. For example, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. Then you study the standard and check the needs within the organization. Implementing the management system. This involves implementing each requirement of the standard. This can be done by or for the internal workforce with internal employees. If you have experience of the management system standard, or if you hire a consultancy specializing in implementing ISO management systems, the process takes place gradually within the organization. Many companies ask how long it will take me to implement a management system, for example, ISO 9001. This will depend a lot on the size of the company, the branch of activity, and, above all, the personnel, the resources that the organization will have available for the implementation. In the case of hiring a consultancy, how many visits will the consultancy make to the company? In the case of the internal workforce, there are employees dedicated to implementing the management system, but there is already a routine for implementation. It's a general guideline that takes between 6 and 12 months to implement. We've had companies that we've certified in 3 months. It takes 4 months, 6 months, and 18 months. But in general, we manage to implement the management system in 6 to 12 months. There are important requirements, and you do them all. All the requirements are implemented in the standard, but they exist for all the management system standards. Key requirements, such as internal auditing. So you carry out the internal audit within the organization and in relation to the requirements of the reference standard and critical analysis by the company's top management. This whole process is very important. We'll be talking about each process and each management system standard in future videos. Be sure to follow us on our channel. These were just a few tips on implementation. We'll be back in future videos to talk about the certification process. Once implemented, how will the organization certify? Alright? See you next time. Thank you.